How to check in on JetBlue. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can check in on JetBlue. Now, JetBlue allows you to check in online through the website or mobile app, so you can either head into your browser on your phone or any of your device on your laptop as well, and then you want to head into the browser and then you want to search in for JetBlue, and you'll get the very first option. You can see JetBlue there. You can head into JetBlue website, or what you can do is you can head into Play Store or App Store and search in for JetBlue, and what you want to do is you want to install the app and create a new account or log into your account if you already have one. Now, online check-in usually opens 24 hours before the scheduled departure time of a flight and closes 30 minutes before domestic flights or 60 minutes before for international flights. Now, to check in online, you can visit, as I said, to the website here and or on the mobile app, and then you want to enter your booking information, which may include your confirmation code, last name and departure city, and then you want to follow the prompts to select your seat, review your flight details and confirm your check-in. Now, if you are checking in from your mobile, if you have the JetBlue mobile app installed on your smartphone, you can use it to check in for your flight. The process is similar to online check-in as well. JetBlue provides self-service at many airports. To use this, you can follow the steps such as you can locate your JetBlue at the airport, and then you can enter your booking information or swipe the credit or debit card used for booking, or you can follow the on-screen instructions to check in, choose your seats and print your boarding pass as well. So this way you can check in on JetBlue. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.